Hi everyone, welcome back to Health Spark. I'm Maxul Ahmad and today we're making a delicious and nutritious dish, prawn fried rice. This recipe is not only quick and easy but also packed with flavor and healthy ingredients. Whether you're looking for a tasty weeknight dinner or a special meal to impress your friends, this prawn fried rice has got you covered. So let's dive right into it. In this video, learn how to make a flavorful prawn fried rice that's perfect for any meal. Packed with fresh prawns, colorful vegetables, and aromatic seasonings, this dish is not only delicious but also quick to prepare. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, follow along as we share tips and tricks to achieve the perfect fried rice every time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Ingredients: prawns, cooked rice, vegetables, carrots, peas, bell peppers, soy sauce, garlic and ginger, green onions, eggs, cooking oil, salt, and pepper to taste. Join us in this culinary adventure and elevate your cooking skills with this easy to follow recipe. Make this easy Asian inspired dish in just 30 minutes. It's healthy and low in calories but big on flavor, making it perfect for a speedy family supper. Ingredients: 250-gram long grain brown rice, 150-gram frozen peas, 100-gram mangtao, 1.5 teaspoon seed oil, 1 onion, finely chopped 2 garlic cloves, crushed thumb-sized piece of ginger, finely grated, 150-gram raw king prawns, 3 medium eggs, beaten 2 sesame seeds, 1 pepper, salt, soy sauce, a half tablespoon rice or white wine vinegar, 4 spring onions, trimmed and sliced. Method: Step 1. Cook the rice following pack instructions. Boil a separate pan of water and blanch the peas and mangtao for 1 minute, then drain and set aside with the rice. Step 2. Meanwhile, heat the oil in a large non-stick frying pan or wok over a medium heat and fry the onion for 10 minutes or until golden brown. Add the garlic and ginger and fry for a further minute. Dip in the blanched vegetables and fry for 5 minutes, then the prawns and fry for a further 2 minutes. Stir the rice into the pan, then push everything to one side. Pour the beaten eggs into the empty side of the pan and stir to scramble them. Fold everything together with the sesame seeds, soy and vinegar, then finish with the spring onions scattered over. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content. Your support means a lot to me.